me and hear me okay out there? I'm trying to zoom in. Hopefully you can. I think should be okay. All right. So anyway, let me fix the settings a little bit. How's everyone doing tonight? Everyone doing good? So basically it's Thursday. We're starting 2023. It's January. I hope that the year is starting off good for you guys. It's starting off very busy for us. We're extremely busy, and we're really excited about that. So, interest rates look like they're coming back down, and it looks like it's going to be a really good year. At least it's starting like that. Home prices are down. Interest rates have dropped. The expectation is that rates are going to drop further, and so we're really excited about that because we want to see lower interest rates, and we want to see hopefully home prices somewhat, kind of stabilize, so it induces more people, to go out and want to purchase a property. So I have my evening cigar with you guys when we talk, and I hope you guys don't mind. But I use it to kind of chill out and relax. And you guys, it's an open forum. You can ask me any questions that you want. So we're going to talk about real estate lending. All of that stuff. So, and tonight, if anyone's a bourbon fan out there, my bourbon of choice, Eagle Rare. If anyone likes Eagle Rare, it's one of my favorite bourbons. That's what we're doing tonight. So cheers to all you bourbon lovers out there. This is one of my favorite daily go-tos. So we're not here to talk about, bourbon unless y'all want to. But no, we're here to talk about loans. Interest rates are going down, Carl. So they've been going down. And so we're excited about that. A few things we're going to be talking about tonight. 2023 market update with conventional loans, construction loans. Hey, what's going on? How you doing? We're going to talk about, we are recruiting. We're looking to hire great skilled people for processing and loan officer, loan sales. And then we'll talk about our real estate university that we have to train people if you're new in the business and you want to learn about real estate or make a career change for 2023. So that's kind of the agenda for tonight about what we're going to be talking about. Thank you guys so much for watching the show on the channel. So let's start talking about what do we see going on right now for, hey buddy, thank you so much for watching the channel. Appreciate everyone chiming in. Give us a big thumbs up. If you can, if you like the channel, ask any questions. You're more than welcome to ask me anything that you want. I'm going to start talking about real estate and lending. We've been in business for over 20 years. We're a nationwide commercial residential lender. We do FHA, VA, construction, private loans, land loans, multifamily, no-doc loans, all different types of financing. So it's good stuff. So, and our whole thing is to add value, change lives, educate people, empower them, giving you guys obviously the funding, the capital to get deals done. So appreciate you guys for all your help and your support. We love you. So very kind of you to give us all your support. So, and if you have a chance, go to our Google, if you give us a 5-star review on Google, we'll give you a free Amazon gift card. Just send me your email address. Once you do the Google review, you go to Angelo Christian Mortgage, and if you leave us a 5-star review on Google, then we'll give you a free Amazon gift card. We'll hook you up. I think you can only do one Google review per account, so just keep that in mind. But if you do that, we'll hook you up and give you a free Amazon gift card. If you just Google Angelo Christian Mortgage, give us a nice 5-star review, we'll hook you up with that free Amazon gift card. Everyone loves Amazon. They use them. I love Amazon. But anyway, so this is, appreciate it, Carl. Okay, cool. Yeah, we want to help you to build your portfolio. We definitely want to help you to get funding. So I'm glad you're thinking about us again. That's awesome. So 2023, yeah, collection from 2019, yeah, we can help you with taking a look at your credit. That's one of the things that's cool about our company is not only are we a lender, we help our customers with boosting up their credit too. We do light credit boosting at our company. If you need heavy credit cleanup, we have a credit repair firm that also helps with that. They do charge for it, and you have to talk to them about what the fees are, but they do a really good job. But back to what I'm seeing for 2023. So awesome, for this year, conventional loan limits have gone up to $726,000. So we have a conventional 100% financing program that you can get with no money down. So you can literally buy your primary residence, single family home, conventional with 100% finance. And that's a very powerful product. We're one of the only lenders that offers that in the United States. So you can buy your home, no money down. There's no income caps. There's no location restrictions. It has to be for a primary residence, single family home. You do have to have a minimum of a 700 credit score, a maximum debt ratio of 40%, and full income verification. But if you meet those requirements, then you're eligible to get approved for the loan. So that's an awesome product for 2023 that we rolled out, the conventional 100. Very powerful loan because most lenders for conventional want anywhere from 3 to 20% down. Yes, Rodney, we lend nationwide. Yeah. And you can get for closing costs, you can get up to 3% for closing costs. Either paid by the seller or wrapped into the loan. If it doesn't get paid by the seller or wrapped into the loan, then you would pay that 3% out of pocket. Now, that's a really, you're a first-time buyer. We have first-time buyer programs too that you can get with 100% financing or down payment assistance. We have an FHA program that you can get up to 4% towards down payment and closing costs. That's a really strong program that I would recommend for FHA. But the conventional program is 0 down, 100% financing, but you don't have to be a first-time buyer. So, okay, I missed what you said about the loan being dispersed. Okay, your FICO 619, Rodney, then I would recommend doing FHA for you. So that's what I recommend. Oh, you're welcome, Mr. Bigglesworth. We appreciate you too. So yeah, don't forget to please give us a thumbs up if you love us. Though I missed the question about, you said your loan closed and something about disbursements. Can you repost that? So I want to make sure I address that. I'll wait for you to repost that. But another thing that I really, really like that I'm proud to present and offer, we have construction loans. We're one of the only lenders in America that specializes in construction lending. We do jumbo construction. We go up to $2.2 million loan where you can get your land and home included. We have a very easy builder approval process. If you own your land can be the down payment. We can go up to $1 million with only 5% down on the construction loan. So if you're in a situation where there's not a lot of inventory where you live, or you don't like the builder's homes and maybe you own land or you want to build your own home, the construction loan is an awesome program. A lot of banks don't do them. They don't like to do them because they're a lot of work. They're very complicated. We actually love to do construction loans. We're a big fan of them. So if you're looking to get construction done, call or text us at 832-431-6331. We love to help you with the construction financing. We've done all different types of projects. Let me talk to you about how cool they are. Like I said, you can go up to $2.2 million. Rodney, when should I start buying process? Start as soon as possible. It's better to be proactive and reactive. Owning a home, doing real estate is about preparation. The sooner you start, the better. Okay. So, but anyway, what I was saying earlier about the construction loan that I like so much is that, you can build your own home, man, and you don't have to put 20% down. It's not hard to do. We can help you, walk you through the process. Okay, that's fine if you're still on lease. I mean, you still need guidance and feedback, Rodney, about how to do it. And we're going to help you to walk you through the process to get it done. So that's the bigger picture about what I'm saying. So, can I get cash out on a refinance automotive property? Yes, you can if there's real estate included. It has to be real estate secured. So if you own the real estate that the car lot is on, you could definitely get a cash out refinance. We could do asset-based loans. The difference between asset-based and credit-based, see, with asset-based loans, it's not based off the credit score, it's based on the property. So that doesn't matter if you have a 400 credit or 800, we're looking at the underlying property. If the underlying property is good, you can get a loan on it regardless, okay? So construction loans, I love them. If you own the land, you're inherited the land, you can build a home up to $1 million with only 5% down. If you already own the land or you have equity in the land, your land is your down payment, and you don't have to put a down payment. So that's an awesome program. So, reach out to us if you want to build your home, and it's always been your dream. You can do up to a duplex, has to be for primary residence or secondary home. There are some requirements for the program. You have to have at least, a 700 credit score, 6 months of reserves. You can use bank statements or tax returns to verify your income, but that's an awesome product. The maximum debt ratio is 45%. Pretty standard qualification. So if we can help you to get approved for the construction loan, reach out to us. We want to be here to help you to make that happen and get it done. It's one of my favorite loan programs. So I got to look at your file, Rodney. Not necessarily. Just because you're in New York doesn't mean you have to pay your collections. It may not even matter. So I really got to look at your collections and see what you have, and then I can advise you, because you may not have to do that. So it may not be necessary. See, the thing is that I know a lot of people, before they apply for a loan, they want to try and figure everything out. But in reality, you're not going to be able to figure everything out until we get underneath the hood and look at your application together to come up with a game plan to get you approved. So we need to go through your file so we can take a look at what you've got, so I can come up with a structure, a plan to get you approved for the loan. And I can tell you, hey, do this, do this, do this, do this, so that way you can get the pre-approval. Another thing, just shifting gears here, I did want to talk about that we are recruiting. We're looking for top producing loan officers. If you have experience, you have a track record of lending, you've been in the business for at least 2 years, you've closed at least $1 million a month, we're looking for top producing lenders that have experience with loan origination. Maybe you're not happy with where you're at, maybe there's issues with your company, you feel like you could do more. The thing with our company, we built something that is vast and robust, a powerhouse that caters to service and products. And so if you're out there, reach out to us, send us your resume to careers@officialangelochristian.com, and we definitely... Okay, send me an email, AK, so I can figure out what's going on with your file. I'll take a look at it. because you should be funding anytime soon. So send me an email so I can jump into it to look at it for you to help you. But going back to recruiting, if you are looking to make a change and you have experience in lending, whether you're a top producing loan officer, a senior loan processor, a loan officer assistant, if you have experience, we want to hear from you. Send us your resume to careers@official Angelo Christian. We'd like to talk to you. You can work remote. We got great compensation packages. This is not for new entry-level people. I'll talk about new entry-level people next. This is for people that have experience. If you're a processor, you need to have at least 5 years experience. If you're an LOA, at least 2 years of experience. But send us your resume if you're looking to make a change, you want to do something different. We want to hear from you because there's great opportunities with lending. People are always going to need money and credit. It's a $1 trillion industry, and there's a lot of upside. You can work from home. Have the freedom, autonomy, get full benefits, great comp plans, and can you look at my credit report without getting a hit on my credit? You'd have to send me the credit report to my team and they can take a look at it for you, yes. So if you are looking to make a change, you want to grow, you want to expand, reach out to us. We definitely like to hear from you. Send your resume to careers@officialangelochristian.com. Remember, if you want to get paid with the Amazon gift card, leave us a 5-star review on Google. If you Google Angelo Christian Mortgage and you leave us a happy review, send me your email. We'll hook you up and give you a free gift card. So definitely want to hook you up and take care of you. And then lastly, if you are new and curious about real estate, you want to get into real estate, you want to learn more about it, don't forget we have Real Estate University. I built that platform 5 years ago, and it's over 1,000 hours of online digital content. You can do it from your phone, your tablet, your computer. You can learn about lending, you can learn about real estate, and then graduate, get your certificate, and whether you either come work for me or you come work somewhere else, it'll teach you the skills of what you need on how to make money in this business in real estate. Because the failure rate in real estate is 98%. And most people don't make any money in the industry because they don't know what they're doing. They don't have the right coach, the right mentor. And that's very important. And it doesn't mean you have to come work with me and go work somewhere else, but you need the skills. So check out Real Estate University. There's a link below about Real Estate University if you want to learn more. It's a great program. We usually try, it takes about 6 months to graduate. It's normally $199 a month. And we have a promotion for 2023 for only $49 a month. So it's you can cancel anytime, there's no contracts, but it's highly recommended if you're wanting to learn about the business, and especially if you want someone like me to hire you, you have to have the skills and graduate from that and show people what you're doing if you want to get hired. It doesn't matter where you go. So, or you might look at it and you may you may say it's not for you and it's not what you wanted, So, but check it out. Real Estate University is a great. You could if you wanted to. We have all different types of first-time buyer programs. There's FHA, there's conventional. Typically, you're going to get up to 4% for down payment and closing costs. So let's just take an example. If you're buying a $300,000 home, you can get up to $12,000 for down payment and closing costs, right? So you have to take a course online. There's a certificate you have to get. But yeah, there's grant money out there. There's bonds. There's a lot of things that can help you to get the closing costs. It doesn't mean that you're going to get it. I'm just saying it's out there and it's available. We as a lender offer it. We have to work on it to see if you're going to be able to get it. The thing that I will say what is very cool and unique about us is that we're going to make best efforts to help you to get funded. Whereas a lot of lenders, they dodge people, they don't return calls. If you don't have an 800 credit score and 20% down, they don't want to deal with you. And we take a different approach. We try to figure out how to get loans approved, how to get them solved, how to get you funded, how to make it happen. Like the down payment assistance program, a lot of lenders don't like to do it because it's a lot of work. But we don't mind doing it because we want to help people out. So, my thought is that if you can get, $16,000 or $20,000 down payment assistance, there's no reason why you should be renting. If you're spending $1,500 or $2,000 a month on rent, clearly you can afford a home. Maybe you just have a problem, coming up with the cash to close the down payment and the closing cost. So this is a strategy, a way to help you to get approved, to get funded to buy your home. It doesn't mean everyone's going to get it, but it is out there, and we'll try whatever we can to make it happen for you. So, it's an awesome product. So that's the main things. I think this year, 2023, is going to be a better year. I think 2022 was kind of a little bit of a seesaw, a little wonky, but I expect 2023 to be a better year for everybody. Maybe not every industry, but I think definitely real estate and lending. We got great opportunities, great products, so we definitely want to hear from you if we can help you with any type of programs. We do all different types of financing. Now is a good time, Scott. It's always a good time. You got to be prepared. You got to be prepared, brother. So you're not going to be able to time it and figure it out, man. And I'm not saying that just because I'm a lender and I'm trying to sell you something. The thing is that you need feedback, you need guidance on what to do. You don't know where you stand, what programs you qualify for. At least figure that out. Doesn't mean you have to buy right now, but at least you'll know, okay, I can qualify for this. This is what my payment's going to be. This is my out-of-pocket. Angelo said work on the credit or do this or do that. So you figure that out. You get feedback, okay? It doesn't mean you have to buy anything, but if you find a home that you love, you've been approved, you're ready to go. But if you just sit around and wonder what if, and you sit on the fence, then you'll never know. And then if you do find that house, someone else is going to buy it because they were approved before you and you waited too long. So don't procrastinate is what I'm trying to tell you. Don't procrastinate or be passive. If you want to make it happen, go through the initial underwriting process with the team to figure out where you stand and what you got to work on. You may have to work on some stuff before you get approved. We're going to lay out that blueprint for you, okay? So, because you're never going to know if it's the perfect time. But if you're thinking about it, it obviously must be the right time. If you're messaging me and you're thinking about it, it must be the right time. I'm saying to everybody. I'm talking to everybody right now. Yeah, rates have dropped. They've come down in the last month. So anyway, I think, it's going to be a good year. If we can help with any type of funding, call or text us, 832-431-6331. It's where America goes for funding, guys. You can check us out. Check out our Google reviews. If you leave us a good Google review, we'll hook you up and give you a free Amazon gift card. If you have any questions about loans, you can figure out how to get approved, how to get a funding, structures, whatever, call or text us, 832-431-6331. 3 times a week we produce videos on YouTube. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. They come out at 6 a.m. You can see us on Instagram at Official Angelo Christian, our YouTube Angelo Christian Mortgage, our website Official Angelo Christian, and then we do our live every Thursday at 6 p.m. Central. So I appreciate you guys watching the show, giving me your feedback, the content. We love all of you. We want 2023 to be a great year. We want you to be successful, make the most of yourself, accomplish your dreams, your goals. If we can help with anything else, please reach out to us. We'll be back again next Thursday, 6 p.m. Central, guys. Take care and peace out. Again, make the most of yourself.